Hello guys, in this new video I'm gonna talk about some basic things and as well some tricks and tips from Pocket Monster. Um, if you're a newbie, you'll probably learn one or two things from it. This video is especially made for newbies, but if you're already an advanced player, you will probably learn one or two things. So let's get started. So first thing first, let's get started. How to make your Pokemon stronger. So the first um, thing is gonna be the effort points. Um, if you have more than one Pokemon, it seems I don't have any. For example, here, if you have more than one Pokemon, um, you can merge them. It has to be the same Pokemon, uh, and you'll get more stars. For example, here I have 1 star. When you reach 2 stars, you'll get this benefit that is right here. So let's press merge. Now, as you guys see, I made my Pokemon a little bit stronger. Next thing is promote. With promote, you get special benefits. Each Pokemon has different ones depending on if what kind of Pokemon it is. For here, if we click stats, you will be able to see that it's a melee Pokemon. Melee means that they fight. They don't. They are in the front lane, and they're the ones that take damage first. So here, if you upgrade, you promote the Pokemon, you'll get first 100 attack, then defense and damage. It will show once you evolve the Pokemon. Here's this skill, what they do. So, for example, this Pokemon smashes the ground and stuns the enemy. So the stun is really useful. You have a tank first. Tank is like a melee, they're the ones that take the damage. You want a strong tank, so the Pokemons in the back take the damage. As well, here in team, if you have, for example, Nidoran and as well the Nidoran male and as well Nidoran female, you'll get this benefit. You'll get 5% attack damage, but only these two Pokemons will get it. As well, if you have this composition, they'll get more. If you don't want this team exactly, you can change it as long, and you can still get the benefit. How it works is you first have to own the Pokemon and get the enough stars, and then here in Pokédex we're gonna go and click on the Pokemon, and you have to have enough diamonds and just press activate, and you'll be able to have the benefits for that Pokemon. As well, here if you have the enough gene modification items, your Pokemon will get more active stats, so it will be making them stronger. So here I have like 24 of these. Okay. Now let's go back again. I'll show you guys another thing. Here in practice is for increasing the level of the Pokemon. So let's say increasing the level, you can increase it 3 different ways. One is by battle, the other one is by feeding the Pokemon. This gives you 3000 XP, as well it gives you sometimes 1 or 2 effort points. Effort points, like I mentioned at the beginning, is for you to get more stars. Then And let's go to evolve. When you reach a specific level, for example, here I have to, I'm level 21 with this Pokemon. If I get level 48, I can evolve the Pokemon and it will give you more benefits, more attacks. For example, this one uses lightning to paralyze the target for 8 seconds. So that's a huge amount of time and it deals a lot of damage. Restore is if you don't want to use a Pokemon anymore, you want to exchange it for it, you can do it as well. Just by spending 10 diamonds, you'll get back the things invested, but you'll only get like half. It's not that much, but it's something if you really have to replace it and you want to make the other Pokemon stronger. So you just press. Oh my god, I pressed it. Well, whatever, it was level 21. Okay, then we got Cultivate. There's another way for making your Pokemon really strong. Uh, the apples, you can buy it at the Pokemon shop. You just have to have enough um, Pokecoins. Pokecoins, you get it whenever you sell a Pokemon. So let's say we'll sell this one. Psylocke. I get 20 Pokecoins and 200 gold for it, which is something. Let's see what else. The breakthrough. This, if you reach a lot of effort points, it doesn't give you that much stats, but once you reach a really high level, you'll probably need to do this to make your Pokemon a little bit more stronger. Okay, I think the best way to make your Pokemon strong is with the items. Okay, I'll show you my strongest Pokemon, which is Aerodactyl. This is my strongest Pokemon just because I level up so much these items. So this is level 71. And as well I have 3 stars. Reaching to get more stars, all you have to do is go to here to enchant and just enchant it. Once you reach enchantment points, you'll get stars depending on the level. And you will unlock, for example, here 800 attack, then you will go to 18 critical damage, and then plus 18 wind damage, which is a lot. Let's see. I'll put some to this one. You can see I'm almost reached 800. Okay. For this, you have to reach 100. I haven't unlocked that yet. Refine or convert, so I cannot show you guys that yet. As well, something to get more CP. CP is basically the how strong is your team. So the higher your CP, the higher or the strongest that is your team. So I'll give you tips when compositioning your team. So here's, if you press here, it'll show you some tips. For example, you have to have a balance here. So you can get more bonus and more CP. So I would recommend you having 2 of the same kind. I don't recommend you having, for example, 2 wind Pokemons and 2 fire. You have to vary vary it a little bit for your team to be stronger because you're not sure what you're gonna face. Unless, for example, it's a Pokemon like Mewtwo or a legendary Pokemon. In that case, I would recommend it to change it. For example, if I get Lugia, I will probably get rid of Dragonite. Or if I get um, Huo, who I almost get it, I'll probably buy it. Here, I have 18,000 and I just need 18,000 and 888 to get Huo. But I'll reach it eventually. Probably in 1 or 2 days, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna um, use it in my team, depending on what it gives you. So that's it, guys, for this video. I'll show you guys, I'll give you guys some tips later about how to get more gold in this game and as well another tips. Thank you for watching.